está llevando el agua a los coches.
Ya sí está entrando el agua aquí. Mira aquello ya lo amontonado allí, mira que es blanco, ¿lo ves?
Sí, aquí lo están amontonado.
Mira el Mercedes.
El Mercedes y todo, madre mía, esto no da tiempo a sacarlo.
La gente, tío. Cuidado, cuidado.
Está metiendo del agua dentro del coche.
Nine people were rescued in Aguilas after a powerful storm flooded the town. Accompanied by hail, the storm caused numerous incidents on the roads and flooded basements and garages. In just a few minutes, torrential rain fell in Aguilas, flooding the streets and filling the drains that run through the town's center, sweeping away vehicles. Emergency services had to rescue 9 people trapped on the RMD-18 in Calariona, where the flooding of the El Cocan ravine caught several drivers by surprise. The rescued people traveled in cars and trucks, and helicopters from the General Directorate of Public Security and Emergencies had to be mobilized, although rescues were carried out by land. Since the beginning of the rainy season until 11:40 am, the Emergency Coordination Center has dealt with 65 incidents caused by this phenomenon, all in Aguilas. The vast majority were minor floods. The director of the Special Civil Protection Plan Against Flood Risks, (EMR Plan), has reported that the plan is in emergency phase level 0. This level is activated when the emergency affects a municipality and can be addressed with local resources or those of the regional administration assigned to the local emergency plan. The president of the regional government has published a message on his X profile warning about the situation. The situation is becoming more complicated due to the rains, especially in the Aguilas region. Please be careful. Pay attention to the warnings on official channels. The State Meteorological Agency has issued an orange alert for the Guadalupe Valley, Lorca, and Aguilas for rainfall of up to 30 liters per square meter in an hour. Likewise, an orange alert has been activated in Campo de Cartagena for similar accumulations. They warn of rain accompanied by thunderstorms until 4 o'clock p.m. The rest of the region is also still under yellow alert for rainfall, up to 20 liters per square meter per hour until 4 o'clock p.m. The amount of water accumulated exceeding 50 liters per square meter in a short time has appeared in ravines such as Las Culebras and El Rubio, where several parked vehicles were swept away. The Emergency Coordination Center had handled until 11 a.m. about 50 calls for incidents related to pumping and several rescues that had to be carried out on the RMD 18 road in Calariona, where the El Cocam ravine in Aguilas had left several vehicles trapped. The violent storm, accompanied by hail, hit the municipality of Aguilas around 10 a.m., causing significant damage to the city's center, with flooding in streets, garages, and commercial premises. "65 incidents caused by the storm have been handled, the majority of which are floods. The heavy rains occurred while the region was on yellow alert and surprised residents with their violence, leaving many people trapped in their vehicles." Emergency Counselor Jose Luis Moreno said it was too early to assess the damage and urged the public to stay indoors and stay indoors. Local police, firefighters, and emergency services are working in the area. All the highways that cross the city and flow into the sea have been flooded. Since the beginning of the rainy season until 11:40 a.m., the Emergency Coordination Center has responded to 65 incidents caused by this phenomenon, all in Aguilas. The vast majority were minor floods. In fact, the emergency services rescued 9 uninjured people who were trapped in their vehicles due to flooding caused by the rain on the RMD 18 road near Calariona, in the municipality of Aguilas. At 9:54 a.m., 112 received a call from the passenger of a car who reported being trapped in a ravine on the road. Local police patrols and firefighters from the Murcia Region Fire and Rescue Consortium were sent to the scene. Upon arrival, the police confirmed that 9 people were trapped in cars and trucks and requested a helicopter from the General Director of Citizen Security and Emergencies with rescue firefighters. Finally, the rescue was carried out by land. They did not require medical assistance.
En desplazarse aquí a Águilas. La verdad es que esta mañana nos hemos levantado con la activación de una alerta amarilla.
The city of Aguilas reported dozens of incidents this Tuesday following the heavy rains that hit the city shortly before 10 a.m., causing the area to be completely flooded. Civil Protection Council member Jose Luis Moreno has urged residents not to travel, saying the amount of rain, accompanied by hail, was unexpected as the city was on yellow alert for rainfall of 15 liters per square meter in 1 hour.
Espero que no me arrastre el agua. Esto es en Águilas Murcia. Hoy es 17 de marzo del 2025. Yo particularmente nunca había visto esto.